nga bwe bakola bati. Amala yagwa yena wansi. Yes, as you can see. Now these one are ready to be harvested. I'm just from the garden. I've managed to get these one are almost. These are 3 kilograms, and I have got some baby. Yeah, so I'm going to plant this one, and I'm hoping to get 3 crops from each. This one too, and this one. So far we have 3 crops. Yeah, and these are our beans. So we are going to start the process of drying it. Others are yellow. As you see, it is yellow in color. Others brown, and we have some green. Yeah, they are all ready to be dried. Yes, as you can see, when they leave it, it can dry like this when it is still on its mother. It can dry like this one. It is not dry, but it has turned brown. So even this one were also turning into brown. But all of these are ready and they are all mature. Time for harvesting. I've bought this one because when they are like this, they are somehow heavy, and when they are like this, they are light. So I've told them I will not pay you as if I'm taking this one. Since I'm taking this one, it is still having water. I will take okay. This one are the tall, and this one are the medium, and here these are small.